Dear students, now we are in the chapter of circles. Until yesterday we handled equation of circle passing through a point and which is length of x-intercept and length of y-intercept is given, and passing through 2 points and center lie on a straight line. That model, 2 models we discussed regarding 7 marks, and regarding 2 marks we discussed that finding center and radius. Whenever he given center and radius, forming an equation of circle we have learnt. Today we want to discuss with you that equation of circle having end points of diameter. Equation of circle. Equation of circle having a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 as end points or extremities of diameter. Whenever 2 points are the end points of diameter, let us discuss about its equation. A x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2. Here let p x comma y be any point on the circle. I am discussing with you the equation of circle having a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 as end points of diameter. Whenever AB is a diameter, every diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. The parts are called as a semicircle, and we know that the formula of angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. Since 8th class you are learning angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle APB equal to pi by 2 here. This one. Therefore, we can say that AB perpendicular to PB. AB perpendicular to PB, that is slope of AP into slope of PB. Slope of AP into slope of PB equal to -1. That implies, using the formula of slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 concept, y minus y1 by x minus x1 into y minus y2 by x minus x2. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 into here y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equal to -1. By taking cross multiplication we get y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. That term taken this side, you can write this one as equation of circle having a x1 comma y1 comma b x2 comma y2, a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 as diameter or end points of, that is end points of diameter. End points of diameter is x minus x1, order I am saying x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Plenty times we will be getting The formula is necessary. Let us discuss an example sum about 2 marks. Equation of circle, you should remember this formula as equation of circle. A circle having endpoints of diameter x1, y1, x2, y2 is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0, or equation of circle having AB bar means AB is a diameter, is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. You should not forget the formula. It is most IMP for 2 marks for objective, and for 7 marks also one model is there. So you should not forget to remember the formula. Now example 2. Let us discuss example 1, page number 12. Example 1, page number 12. Academy textbook, example 1, page number 12. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle whose extremities meaning end points of diameter, extremities of a diameter, extremities of a diameter are here end points given as 1, 2 and 4, 5. 1, 2 and 4, 5. Now write the formula. Equation of this is solution. Write the formula equation of circle. Equation of circle having end points of diameter. Having end points of diameter is, writing the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Whatever the point given, 2 points you should consider as first one A 1, 2, this is x1, y1, and the second one B, it is 4, 5, this is x2, y2. So that implies a circle. Equation of circle I am writing here x minus 1 into x minus 4, x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 2 into y minus 5 equal to 0. By multiplication we can get that required equation of circle. You can write here required equation of circle is, by multiplicating and expanding we get here x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 4 plus 10, this is 14 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 14 equal to 0. This is a model equation of circle we found here. Now equation of circle having end points of diameter. Next, another example is there. Let us discuss that example. Find other end point of diameter. Example 2. Find other end point of diameter. Find other end point of diameter of circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 equal to 0. If one end is, one end of it is 2, 3. Student, you should try to understand that end points of diameter. End point of diameter we should calculate if he given one end. Diameter is the longest chord passing through the center point. Let here A2, 3. Let other end point be alpha, beta. Center of C circle. You know that the circle center minus G, minus F concept here 4, 4 you can write it. So 4, 4 here. Let I am writing here B alpha, beta B other end point. Other end point. Since center C is midpoint. Center C is the midpoint of A, B. You calculate the value here 2 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 4 and 3 plus beta by 2 is equal to 4. So by taking cross multiplication you can get the value directly. B alpha, beta is equal to 6, 5. That's all. This is the other end point. In exercise, one question is there. He used to give like this. Show that the point A3, minus 1 lie on the circle and also find the other end point. Like that he given the question I know. A3, minus 1. He given like that. Show that this one. So whenever 3, minus 1 he given here, you should substitute the value in the given circle, not this circle. In the given circle. You substitute the value whenever he given the value, you substitute the value here, then you should get the answer 0. That means the point satisfying the given circle. That is the point lie on the circle. Also find the other end point like that he given. Then in the similar way, we let the second one as alpha, beta, or x1, y1 or x, anything you can think and use this formula. C is equal to midpoint of A, B. Like that you will be getting the answer. Next, let us discuss about the equation of circle using triple of points. This is the important 7-mark sum. Equation of circle passing through 3 points are triple of points. Put side heading equation of circle. Equation of circle passing through or using. Passing through triple of points. Equation of circle passing through triple of points. That means the given circle is passing through 3 points like this. Ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 and cx3, y3. Ax1, y1, bx2, y2 and cx3, y3. To calculate the equation of circle given, whenever he given 3 points, then we should substitute the values in the required equation of circle. Let us consider an example, page number 15. Example 1 you write. Example 1, page number 15. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle passing through the points. Find the equation of circle passing through the points P1, 1. 3 points given as P1, 1, Q2, minus 1, 2, minus 1 and R 3, 2. Total 3 points given. Let us the points A, B, C, R, P, Q or anything put like this here. Draw the circle and write here 1, 1 and write here 2, minus 1 and write here 3, 2. Generally, four methods are there to calculate the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. But general method is whatever the required circle is there, that required circle we should think in the standard form. What is the standard form of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0. Like that, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0, you should put the equation number 1. And since he given this is passing through this one, substitute this value, passing through this one, substitute this value, passing through this one, substitute this value, and you will be getting g of c terms. Later, by solving first, second and third equation, c might be vanished. Later, after vanishing of c, you will be getting gf equations. Solve the gf equations, then you will be getting the values of g and f. Later you will be getting c. Substitute the value g, f, c in the first equation. You will be getting the required equation of circle. It is the original method. It is general method. It will be better to follow that method. Let the required equation of circle. This is a 7 marks model word, IMP model. Let the required equation of circle. Required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here I am writing 1 passing through the point he given 1 comma 1. So substitute here the value, instead of x you substitute y 1 and instead of y also substitute 1. It becomes 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. Let this is second equation. Next you write this one, 1 passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. So substitute here 2 comma minus 1, you will be getting 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to minus 5. Let it be third equation. This is minus 5. Next, again you write 1 passing through the point 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. The point 3 comma 2. Then you can get the value here 6g minus 4f plus c is equal to 6g plus 4f. 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. This is fourth equation. First eliminate c value using second and third equation. Later eliminate c value using third and fourth equation. Now I am writing 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. You will be getting here 4g minus 2g. This is 2g. 2g. 4g minus 2g. 2g minus 2f minus 2f minus 4f. C and c will be getting cancelled. Is equal to minus 3. So you can write minus 3 taken this side. Okay, I am writing next step. 2g minus 4f plus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be fifth equation. Next I am writing 4 minus 3. Fourth equation minus third equation, you will be getting 2g plus 4 plus 2f plus 6f. 2g plus 6f is equal to minus 8. So plus taken this side, plus 8 equal to 0 by dividing this one. By dividing 2 you can get g plus 3f. G plus 3f plus 4 is equal to 0. This is sixth equation. Students, you may get the doubt here, sir, if you add this one or subtract this one, g will be getting cancelled automatically, you will be getting f. Yes, it's okay, absolutely, you can get. But I want to give plenty of sums homework to you, that is whatever the original method is there, I want to discuss the original method with you. Now we can write here solving 5 and 6. We will be getting g and f values. Solving 5 and 6. Like first year method, point of intersection method, you can write here minus 4. Minus 4, 3, 2, minus 4. Here 3, 4, 1, 3. This is for g, this is for f, this is for 1. So g by minus 16 minus 9. you can write here minus 25. F by 3 minus 8, you can write here minus 1, minus 5 by 1 by 6 plus 10. 6 plus 4, this is 10. So Z is equal to 6 plus 10. Minus 25 by 10. Minus 25 by 10 you can write as minus 5 by 2. F is equal to minus 5 by 10, you can write this one as minus 1 by 2. So using this G and F you can write C, you can get the value C wherever the value is. From 2 you can write here, from 2. From 2, 2G, so minus 5 you write, 2F, so minus 1 you write. 2G means minus 5 and 2F plus 2F, it is minus 1 plus C is equal to minus 2. Plus C is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 6 plus C is equal to minus 2. 6 minus 2 taken the side 4. So C is equal to 4 you get. Sub, here I am writing sub value G is equal to minus 5 by 2. F is equal to minus 1 by 2, C is equal to 4 in 1. C is equal to 4 in 1, we get or we obtain required equation of circle. We get required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. It is the equation of circle passing through triple of points. This is IMP 7 mark question. Of course not this one, maybe this one. Model is important for 7 marks IPA exams. Next let us discuss about the sum. Solved example 1, page number 17. Page number 17, solved example 1. Example 1, page 17. He is asking find the equation of circumcircle of triangle formed by the lines with the coordinate axis. Find the equation of circumcircle. This is a level 1 MSET bit or objective level 1 bit. Find the equation of circumcircle of triangle. Circumcircle of triangle formed by the line. Circumcircle of, find the equation of circumcircle of triangle formed by the line. Formed by the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 with coordinate axis. With coordinate axis. Let us discuss about the straight line equation with coordinate axis. Given line I am writing. Given line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. Here also we can write small x. AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 is the equation of straight line. Now he is asking that the circumcircle of the triangle with coordinate axis. That circle which passes through the 3 vertices of the triangle is called as circumcircle. So he is asking nothing but the circumcircle of right angle triangle, because he is discussing the circle with coordinate axis. Whenever coordinate axis is there, coordinate axis, point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin. Coordinate axis intersect at origin. So this is once O given and this is A and this is B. So we can think this one as AX plus BY is equal to minus C. Like equation of straight line in intercept form I am writing. So you can write here by dividing minus C as x by minus C by A, you can write and y by minus c by you can write is equal to 1. So what is the equation of here x intercept? X intercept is minus c by a. X intercept you can write here minus c by a, and y intercept you can write here minus c by b. Everyone know that OA represent this one, A represents here x axis, so you can write here minus c by a comma 0, and b represents y axis, so you can write here 0 comma minus c by b. Whenever he is asking the equation of circumcircle of right angle triangle, so hypotenuse is the diameter. So you can say directly this is the equation of circle having AB as diameter. Equation of circle having AB bar, whenever I put bar, this is a diameter. AB as diameter. Equation of circle having AB as diameter. Formula is said x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So you can write here x plus c by a. Forget about origin. No need to get confused. Use the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 simply. So here you can write y minus 0 into y plus c by b is equal to 0. By simple equation we get here. Here I am writing by multiplying x square plus cx by a plus y square. X square plus cx by a plus y square plus cy by b is equal to 0. Equation of circumcircle, I think this is a CUQ 19th bit, CUQ 17th bit, this one. So in conceptual question, objective CUQ 17th bit, and in level 1 maybe 23rd question. So only for objective I am saying now this one. So required equation of circle or circumscribing circle you write here. Required equation of circumcircle I am writing. Required equation of circumcircle, by taking LCM you can write here AB into x square plus y square. AB into x square plus y square plus c you can take common, and by taking LCM it becomes bx plus ay equal to 0. AB taken LCM x square plus y square, and bcx plus ac by c I have taken common. AB into x square plus y square plus c into bx plus ay is the equation of circumcircle of this triangle. Next one model is there. Find the equation of circle passing through not 3 points, 3 sides is given. Example 2, page number 18. Example 2, page number 18. Find the equation of circle passes through the vertices of triangle. Find the equation of circle passes through the vertices of triangle. Passes through the vertices of triangle. L1 he given x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and L2 is equal. L2 is equal to 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. L3 equal to 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. L1 equal to x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. L2 equal to 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. L3 equal to 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This meaning is that this is the triangle. Which type of triangle he did not give, he did not mention. So put here A, Put here B, this is C. This is the equation of L1. This is the equation of L2. And this is the equation of L3. L1, L2, L3, three lines given. Try to understand that if you solve L1 and L2, you get C. If you solve L2 and L3, you get A. If you solve L3 and L1, you get B. So by solving the equations L1, L2 separately, L2, L3 separately, L3, L1 separately, you will be getting the vertices of the triangle. So it is nothing but triple of points. Whenever triple of points he give, we can try to understand the equation of circle passing through triple of points is, let the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2f plus c equal to 0, passing through point, passing through point, passing through point, while calculating c value, eliminating c value and g of substituting the value in the given equation, you will be getting the model. Okay. Now let us, I am writing here solving L1 L2. Solving L1 comma L2 we get. Solving L1 comma L2 we get C. Here I am writing 1, 1, 1, 1 model. Next 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5, 3, 1. This is for x1, this is for y1 like this. This is for 1. So we can write here x1 by minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 and y1 by 3 plus 5, this is 8 and 1 by 1 minus 3 minus 2. So C I am writing. C is equal to minus 6 by minus 2 becomes 3 and this is minus 4. You write here 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4 is the value of C. Now you write here solving L2 comma L3. Solving L2 comma L3 we get A. Using this one as point of intersection method, you write here 1 minus 5 3 1 and this one 1 minus 5 2 1. This is for x2 you write. This is for x2, this is for y2, this is for 1. So you can write here x2 by minus 5 plus 5 0, no problem. Y2 by minus 10 plus 15, it is 5. This is y2. Is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2, simply 1. So you can write here A. A is equal to 0 comma 5. Write here A 0 comma 5. At A written 0 comma 5. Next you can write solving L3 comma L1 we get. Solving L3 comma L1 we get B. What is the value of L3 and L1? L3 comma L1 we get B. So you write here 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5, 2, 1. And here 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. You can write here this is as x3. This is as y3. This is 1. You can write x3 by 1 plus 5, it is 6. Now y3 by minus 5 minus 2, this is minus 7. 1 by 2 minus 1, it is 1. Here we can write. Here we can write the value B. So B is equal to 6 by 1 minus 7 by 1. So 6 comma minus 7. At B you write 6 comma minus 7. Now after completion of solving, now we got 3 points. Let, I am writing here, let the required equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle be, notation here, x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Next you can write here, since 1 passing through Since one passing through the point A, you can write the point A 6 comma minus 7. So you can substitute here 6 and 7, you will be getting as 12G minus 14F plus C is equal to 36 plus 49. 36 plus 49 minus 85. Let it be second equation. 36 plus 49, 9, 6, 15, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5, 8, minus 85. Next, once again I am writing, since one passing through, ditto you can write, since one passing through the point B, B value 0, comma 5. So you substitute here simply 10F, no G value, 10F plus C is equal to minus 25, let it be third equation. Again I am writing, since one passing through the point C, 3 comma minus 4. Substituting 3 comma minus 4 here we may get as 6G minus 8F. 6G minus 8F plus C is equal to minus 25. This is fourth equation. Now by eliminating C using third and fourth, we can write 2 minus 3 I am writing now. 2 minus 3, then it becomes 12G minus 24F. 12G minus 24 plus C will be getting cancelled, minus 85 plus 25 becomes 60 is equal to 60, plus minus taken this side it becomes plus 60 equal to 0. By dividing 12 you can write here G. By dividing 12 I am saying with you G minus 2F plus 5 equal to 0. Let it be fifth equation. Later 4 minus, better to write 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Whenever we write 3 minus 4 we will be getting minus 6G. Minus 6G plus 10 plus 8, so 18F. Minus 6G plus 18F, C will be getting cancelled equal to 0. So minus 6 divided with minus 6. Otherwise 6G is equal to 18F you write. Then you can get the value G is equal to 3F. From 5 you write here. G is equal to 3F, we got the relation. From 5. Instead of G, you substitute 3. 3F minus 2F becomes F. F plus 5 is equal to 0. Then F is equal to minus 5 we got. Immediately G is equal to 3F is there. Then you write G is equal to minus 15. Later C also you will be getting from 3 I am writing. From 3. From 3 10F plus C is equal to 0. 10F means minus 50. Minus 50 plus C is equal to minus 25. So C is equal to minus 50 taken this side becomes plus 50. So C is equal to 25. Now I am writing substituting G is equal to minus 15. G is equal to minus 15, F is equal to minus 5 and C is equal to 25 in 1. We obtain required equation of circle. We obtain required equation of circle is x square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 30x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. We got the value of the given equation of required equation of circle. Okay. Now let us discuss about the parametric points of the circle, which are useful of exercise 1A. I am handing the sums and theory of exercise 1A concept. Last concept belonging to exercise 1A. after completion of this chapter only I will handle objective, students, because objective is a merged concept. Completely, even level 1 also having, even CUQ also having exercise E concept. So let us finish circle chapter entirely. Later I will discuss object with you. Put side heading parametric equations. Parametric equations of circuit. Parametric equation of circuit. Writing the definition. Parametric equation of circle describes parametric equation of circle describes the coordinate of a point on the circle, coordinate of a point on the circle in single variable theta, in single variable here, in single variable theta. General notation, by trigonometric notation I am saying with you that this is 0, 0. Let this is p x comma y be any point. That meaning itself is the point is x units distance from small x here. Small x units distance from origin on the x axis and the same point small y unit distance on the y axis. This is called as Cartesian coordinates. If we denote the Cartesian coordinates into polar coordinates, it is indicating the same point P is r units distance from origin to making a positive angle, I mean the angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So this is the positive direction of x-axis. So you think that this is small x and this is small y. By trigonometry you can say that cos theta is equal to here adjacent side by radius x by r, and you can say here x is equal to r cos theta, and sin theta you can write here opposite by r, here y by r. So y is equal to r sin theta. So x comma y, you can say here that the notation of p is r comma theta, where r is the distance from origin and theta is the angle made by the point p with respect to origin in the positive direction of x-axis. P r comma theta. Whenever the same point x comma y you indicate in r comma theta terms, it is called as polar coordinate, where yx is polar axis. In the same way, you try to understand that this is nothing but a circle having radius r, like this you think, having radius r. So equation of circle you can write here x square plus y square is equal to r square. Equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. So now you can say that parametric points of circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Is it r? Parametric points are p, I am writing here, p is equal to, you can write down r cos theta comma r sin theta. That's all. Somebody used to say that parametric points are the points which satisfies the given equation. Maybe the equation parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, straight line, curve, anything, if any point satisfying the given equation, such points are called as parametric points. Here, x, instead of x you put r cos theta, you will be getting r square cos theta, and you put r sin theta. Here, you will be getting r square sin square theta. By taking r square common, you will be getting cos theta plus sin square theta within the bracket, then r square becomes. So you can say that r square cos theta plus r square sin square equal to r square. So r cos theta comma r sin theta are the parametric equations are parametric points of the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, whose center is 0, 0 and radius is r. Now let us discuss about large circle x square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square model. So this is Roman number 1. Roman number 2 I am writing. It is nothing but translation of axis concept. Put here 0, 0. Draw a circle like this. Draw a circle like this. You can put here h comma k. I am writing h comma k. H comma k is nothing but the point. This is a C. H comma k. Here you can write this is a point on x-axis as h comma 0 and this is a point on y-axis 0 comma k, like this. Next p x comma y. Now let us write here this is r. Put p here, no problem. P x comma y. Cp is equal to r. I am mentioning here radius r. Now draw like this and draw like this. Put here name m. Put here name n. Here d. Any name you put, no problem. Maybe this is e. Here I am writing let h comma k. Let equation of circle I am writing. Let the equation of circle is equation of circle B. Whenever let is there, you should use the form B. Let the equation of circle be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. Now, so let center already decided here. Center C, h comma k decided, and radius is equal to simply r. Radius is equal to r. I am writing here let p x comma y be any point on the circle. Let p x comma y be any point on the circle. Therefore, that this is a perpendicular line, this is a perpendicular line, this may be, this is also perpendicular line. Let PM comma PM are perpendiculars, or we can say projections, perpendiculars from P. Perpendiculars from P to CM comma OX we write simply, that is x-axis. This is x-axis. Enough. Now let angle PCM, angle PCM is equal to theta, making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Now if you think logically, you will be getting here, you can get the idea as 0y, and here you can understand that this is a small h, full this is a small x. So this part is x minus h. Now I am writing OD is equal to, right here, OD is equal to h and ON is equal to x. OD equal to h and ON equal to x. So dn you can write, dn is equal to x minus h. dn is equal to, you can write here, dn is equal to cm. Whenever dn is equal to cm, cm is equal to x minus h. Cm is equal to x minus h. Next, in the similar way, you can say that similarly I am writing. Similar concept you can write here, Pm is equal to y minus k. Now, using the right angle triangle concept, in triangle I am writing here. In triangle CPM, in right triangle, that too cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? Cm by Cp. Cm we thought now as Cm. Cm is now adjacent side by. So dn is equal to Cm, as I written, x minus h by r. That implies you can say here x minus h is equal to r cos theta. So you can say x is equal to h plus r cos theta. Now in triangle you write in the same triangle sin theta is equal to Pm by Cp. What is the value Pm here? I written y minus k. So you can write here y minus k by r. Therefore you can say y minus k is equal to r sin theta. Therefore y is equal to k plus r sin theta. K plus r sin theta. Therefore now I am given conclusion to you that parametric equations are parametric points. Parametric equations of circle. Parametric equation of circle x minus h whole square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is x is equal to h plus r cos theta. X is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. X is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta are the parametric points of the given circle. Okay students, let us discuss about just two concepts of parametric circle is there. In next class I will continue.